Okay, ladies and gentlemen, I'd like to welcome you back to my YouTube channel again. Let's see what we have here. Faster. Let's quickly look at what we have here. So this is a scattering of views according to this sign. Shows you that the FV is actually saturated. So if it's FV on this position, so this talks about is in what? Is in first angle orthographic projection. Because what's supposed to come here is on your left hand side. And so if you have a left and the front, which means this is supposed to be in first angle orthographic projection. You understand? Let's come back to this one. So the front view is actually on this side. Your front view is actually on your what? On your left hand side. So which means this was supposed to be addressed following this one. Following what? The third angle orthographic projection, whereby you have to draw the right view. You have to draw the right view, not the left. So, but if the front view is situated like this, which means this machine component talks about is given inward in first angle orthographic projection. All together, it's given in first angle orthographic projection. Okay, so if it's like this, then let's quickly look at it. Okay, I'll just start with the line like this, horizontal constructional line. That's going to be like this. That goes on to touch here. On to touch here. It's gonna go vertically down. Okay, from there, the length is what? Is 82, is 80. TikTokers, is this 80 what? 86. I think it's 86. Is it 86, huh? Yeah, it's 86. It's going to be 86 plus 14. Eh? So, I'll go horizontal 86. This is 85, 86. This one. Even this ruler is not clear. 15, 14 is that one. Okay, that's going to be the true of my length. Then from there, project it vertically down. Project it vertically down. Okay, that's it. Then from there, I will then come and get the what? The true height of it. True height of it, which is 100. Okay, before the true height of it. What is this one? This one. But this one, radius 35. Okay. So from here till here is 86 plus 14, isn't it? Then after that, I can just get the 20 and the half of it. Understand? And they go horizontal. So, if I say 70 divided by 2, I'm supposed to get that one, isn't it? Which is 35. 70 divided by 2 is 35. So, I'll come and get the what? The 70. The 35 is this one, and the 70 is that one. Let me get the vertical center of it. That goes. That's it. Now take my drawing compass and open it to 35. 35, which is this one. Then I just strike an arc there. Where I've just struck an arc, I can get the what? The horizontal center. Make it long enough, starting from my front view now. Can actually see we're drawing them simultaneously, isn't it? So now place it here. It's actually that one. So draw it solid. Just this one. See, nothing silly, isn't it? And have a constructional line going down. Okay. So after this, I can come and record the height of it. So it's up to Galomuntuga whether they're recording it from your left or from your front. You know that the front as well as the left, they'll always share the same what? Height, isn't it? So it's 100. 100 from where? From here going down. My home is this one. That's my 100. Then after I've gotten my 100, then go horizontally. So you understand? So I've drawn it dark already. So the moment I'm drawing from here till here in my front, it's good as if I'm drawing that one from here till right there. Are we together? You understand? So that 14 is already drawn dark. So I can come back to my front now and have this one from here till right there solid. So let me come and see it clearly. Okay, from here till here is still close, the solid from here till this. So which means even here I can have it till up there and come and have it from here till right there, from here till right there, from here to right there. Okay. That's say let's come and check. This is of a thickness of what? Of 14 millimeter. 14 millimeter. So I can record it whether here or here is up to. This is 14. So from here to right there. Okay, make it bold. Then I'll then have horizontal constructional line, and I can have it while I'm constructing it, have it solid here, so right there. So from here till here is no solid there, so which means I cannot draw it solid there as well. Everyone, okay. So this is going to be the bottom right hand corner of my front view, whereby I can simply put my my 45 degrees. So there it goes. So now I'll project all the lines right from my left view. Once they touch this 45-degree line, they're supposed to change direction. And if I like, I can have this one dark now, like this, and where is crossing that one, and there it goes. Such that maybe I can just say this is X, Y, and X, and the Y, or Y, X, X. Are we together? Okay. So this one, once it touches the line of 45 degrees, it has to change direction. So I have to erase this one. I'll have to erase it here, because it's no longer doing that. What I'm saying, once it touches here, goes horizontally. Okay. But then, do you see that when you are coming to your left here, you are going to see this one. So since now you're having these centers where they are perpendicular to each other, you are going to have diameter 36, which is the bigger one, and diameter 20, which is the smaller one. 36. So there you go. The smaller one, 20. 20, just this one. A1. There it is. Then from there, try to be accurate. Now I'm showing you. Then from there, I'll just project this point horizontally towards my front view, as well as this one. That goes. So it's of a length, because it's behaving horizontal, of a length of what? Of 30 millimeters. So from here till here 30. Where is my 30 millimeter ruler now? Recording the 30 millimeter. Where is it? Right here. 30. From here till here. There is my 0. 30. So I can draw it vertically down. Faint first, but now I'll know what okay also vertically solid till right there, so that I come and have it solid even right here from here to right there. However, these ones, they will be now how hidden. That goes, have to be faster. These ones, firstly, get the constructional line. Don't just refer points. You understand? Show all the necessary constructional line. Actually, the constructional line, not the necessary. So it's a whole throughout. Are we together? Okay, that's it. So this supporter, we are not going to see. We are now going to see it clearly. It's not like we are not going from here till here. We are not going to see it clearly, which is going to be this one. You're not going to see it clearly. There it goes. Everyone. So that's what you're going to see in your front. That's what you're going to see in your front view. Okay. What else in our front view is the hidden of diameter 15. They are saying that two diameter 15 holes. So we are going to see them clearly in our top first. Are we together? Even in our right, though, we are going to see them. Okay, so we are going to solve it nicely when we are now dealing with the top view. Okay, so this supporter in our left view is still going to see it. So it's of a thickness of 14 millimeter. So I'm going to say 7 millimeter this side and 7 millimeter this side. This is 5, 6, 7. So 14, I mark at 14 and I mark at 0. You understand? And then just constructional line. Once it touches 45 degrees, I stop. Then I'm going to have it right there. And right there. Do not forget the what? The center. Okay. You know, the supporter is always not a sharp corner. Always not a sharp corner. Let's see. Let's see. Okay, so now I can take this one. Okay, now take this one horizontally. There it goes. Take this one horizontally, just a little bit, extend it. There it goes. Once it touch here, goes horizontally, as well as this one, supporter, as well as the center. As well as this one. So there it goes. Are we together? So this one from here till here, we are going to see it clearly. There it goes. Going to see it clearly. There it goes. well as this one from here right there. Going to see it clearly. This is what I am going to see on the top. Viewing it orthographically. There it goes. Okay, the same. So now this one, so I'll come and take this point, goes there, and to touch there, there it goes. So it's going to be dark from here till here. I'm trying to finish up faster. I'm now against time. That goes on to touch there, goes horizontal. So that goes to right there, and have it solid by closing there. This is what you're going to see on your top, isn't it? Understand? So come and take the inner. That goes. That goes. Once it gets there, horizontal, but then hidden, starting from here to right there. So even right here, and it goes hidden from here till right there. So even the supporter, you're now going to see it clearly. In the supporter, this one isn't that goes. Going to see it clearly. Okay, that's it. But then the holes, then that's when you're going to see them clearly. Do the holes, then you submit your work. The holes, how? They said from here till here 35, which means from here till here 35. 34, eh? No, not 35. 34, which is that one. 34 from here till 34, and it's giving us the what? The horizontal center, the vertical center, as I'm drawing it. You can draw it like this. Then to go inside to get the horizontal center is 14, so I can record the 14 from here. This is 15, I'm looking for 14, it's that one. So even this side 15, I'm looking for 14, which is that one, isn't it? And then from there it goes, from there it goes. So it's of diameter 15. Just take my stencil ruler and select for diameter 15. This is 15. So remember, the horizontal one is this one, the vertical one is this one. So that's why you're going to see them clearly. That's why you're going to see it clearly. You understand? Then after that, what do? So you take their circumferences up. Of course, they will be in the same line. So, but you right here hidden vertically. Even this one that goes from here hidden. So you take them horizontally again. Let's get there. That goes. Is which one? That goes on to touch here. Take it up. It's going to be in hidden right here. So that goes, trace it. That goes on to touch here. Goes up in hidden right here. Simple, straightforward, everyone. So you do the same thing even down here. So that goes. So that goes. Where is it? It's this one. Take it up in hidden right here. The second one that goes in hidden right here. That is it. That is it. That is it. So thank you very much, guys. From here till here, scatter the views according to first angle orthographic project. Draw the front and the left and the top. That was it. Thank you so much, guys, for liking the live. Those who have been watching us on TikTok, those who have been watching us on TikTok, thank you so much for liking the live. And however, this video it should be uploaded there by our YouTube channel. So thank you so much for liking the live. See you on the next video. Bye, donkey. That was it. See you later. I'm late. At 3 I'm having a class, guys. See you later.